Hi, welcome to Mini Shorts. I'm Ed. You can see my Mini. Recording this a little bit out of order, but I just wanted to take a minute to talk about what this channel might be about. This channel is going to be videos of me trying to fix up my first car. It's going to be shot in unedited single takes. It's going to be me figuring out new techniques, learning how to weld, for example. It's going to be me finding new products to use, finding new tools, buying new tools. It's going to be about cutting out rusty old panels and replacing them. It's going to be about finding some panels that maybe aren't quite what we need. Hopefully by watching this you guys will be able to maybe make not the same mistakes I have. I thought I'd make this channel, I thought I'd make some videos, because I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube and I've been inspired a bit by the likes of some stuff I've watched with Mini Madness, the young guy on there, Friday Night Garage, watched a load of videos of them doing a pickup, Total Car Reviews, watching Tom and his red Mini, and yeah, just basically being inspired by others doing work on their cars. And now I wanted to document myself working on this one a little bit and give you some, well, you can call them mini shorts, short sub 5 minute videos, as I say, shot in one take, because I haven't got the time to be doing lots of edits. So yeah, this is the car. I don't want to show you around it too much at the minute, that will come in other videos. Needless to say, it's got lots of rust, it needs lots of time, and I'm going to learn lots of techniques. I'm going to get some of it wrong. This isn't a guide for anyone really, just you'll see we do some things that go well and other things that don't, and hopefully you'll maybe not make mistakes. This hat I've got on is my garage hat. It stops the sparks from the grinder going in my hair. So there you go. There's my first little tip. Right guys, I'll leave you to it for now. Hopefully you enjoy watching the videos. Bye for now.